And here we have Emma having a nice snack. Oops. I'll put it back. No, sorry. There you go. I'll hold it there this time, see if that makes a difference. Gave Emma a bath earlier. And a nice sponge bath, actually. She was sitting on I had her perched on something, and I was just rubbing her wing with a sponge for about 10-15 minutes. She seemed to enjoy it. Considering she normally doesn't like getting wet, she seemed to enjoy it. And this here is a little treat, because she was a good girl whilst having a bath. Yeah, that's right, you're a good girl. Now we see these foxtail millets, and there's so many seeds on them, but they don't last very long. Because they're picking off seeds, but they're going everywhere. All these little seeds are basically... This was clean the other day. She really gets focused when she's eating it. I've noticed that with some of these birds, some of them will have a quick snack and then look up to make sure that you're not going to either attack them or take the food away from them. But I think Emma here is just, more often than not, just gets tucked in. Have a lovely day.